Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change background column color on column hour in Avada theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we hover on column, then we are going to change background color. So this is a column, now you see. So when we hover on it, now you see background color change. So we are doing this using custom CSS. First go to edit page. So this is a column. Now click on pencil icon and then you can add column ID. Now you see CSS ID, we added column bghover and then click on save and then click on update. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section. Now you see we added hash column bghover. So this is our CSS ID for column and then you see fusion column wrapper column hover. And then you see background color, so you can add background color according to requirement and then click on publish and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So first add ID in your column and then paste this. Now go to website page. Now you see, so when we hover on column, now you see background color change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.